In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Sheets to Google Sites. If you're building a page and want your data to stay current without copying and pasting, embedding a Google Sheet is the simplest way to keep everything in sync. Start by opening Google Sites and editing the page where you want the spreadsheet to appear. Head to sites.google.com, sign in if needed, and open the site you're working on. Navigate to the specific page and enter edit mode so you can make changes. This puts the page into a layout where you can add content blocks and integrations. On the right side of the editor, you'll see the Insert panel. This panel is your toolbox for adding content like text, images, and embeds. Click Insert to expand the available options so you can access the Google integrations. From that list, select Sheets. This option is designed specifically to embed live spreadsheets, which means your site will always reflect the latest data in that sheet without any extra work from you. A file picker will open and show your Google Drive. Choose the Google Sheet you want to embed. You can search by name, browse recent files, or navigate your folders to find the right one. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to confirm that this is the version you want your audience to see, especially if you have multiple copies. Also, remember that your site visitors need at least view access to the sheet to see it on the published site. If the sheet is restricted, they may see a request access prompt, so make sure the sharing settings match your audience. Once you've selected the file, click Insert to add it to the page. The sheet will appear as a live interactive element. You can drag the corners to resize it so columns and headers are easy to read, and position it within your layout to match the rest of your content. If your sheet is wide, giving it more horizontal space can improve readability. Consider preparing the sheet ahead of time by freezing header rows, formatting key columns, or hiding any tabs you don't want viewers to see so the embedded view looks clean and professional. That's all it takes. Open your site and edit the page, click Insert, select Sheets, choose your file, and insert it. From there, your site will display the most up-to-date information from your spreadsheet. When you preview and eventually publish your site, your viewers will see the embedded sheet exactly where you placed it, with no extra maintenance required.